Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the guitar, so let's get started. Today we're going to start off with doing the chords and the strum pattern, and then we'll also have the play along right at the end. And for this song we're going to use the capo on the 3rd fret, so if you guys got one, place it on there. And the chords that we're going to use in the C, A minor, E minor, to F, G, and also D minor. So C, A minor, E minor, F, G, and D minor. And then for the strum pattern, what we're going to do is kind of like a reggae strum, just down strums. And it's going to be on the and, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and here's a little example of that. 1, 2. And then also every time that I do the strumming, I start to mute the strings so it doesn't ring out. And then E minor. So that's the chords and the strum pattern. So now let's go into doing the play-alongs. I have the lyrics and the chords on the screen.
So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.